Guess where we are? Many Glacier Hotel. Oh my god, look at this hotel, the location where it is. So beautiful. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel with yet another adventure with Forever Hum. Continuing our visit in Glacier National Park, today we hike the famous Grinnell Glacier trail. The Grinnell Glacier hike is one of the most famous and most populated trails in the Glacier National Park, as it offers some stunning views of the Grinnell Glacier Lake and the upper Grinnell Glacier Lake. This trail is located on the east side of the Glacier National Park, which is close to the Many Glacier Hotel, as opposed to the Avalanche Lake or the Hidden Lake, which comes on the west side of Glacier National Park, as you've seen in our previous videos. As boat rides are one of the most common activities in the Glacier National Park, we decided to start off this hike with the boat ride on the Swiftcurrent Lake and Lake Josephine. And by doing so, you cut short the entire hike by about 4 miles, which by the way, you will find it really useful if you do back-to-back day hikes like us. So guys, we just got off the first boat tour. Now we have to go another 0.25 mile to the second lake to board our next boat. So basically this tour includes a combination of 2 boat tours, and we are officially in the bear country. You heard that right. This tour offers 2 separate boat rides, one on each of the lake. Once you exit the Swiftcurrent Lake, you have to walk a short 0.25 mile to enter the second boat on the Lake Josephine. And besides cutting short your hike, you also learn a little history about this beautiful national park. But enough of the jibber jabber, let's get back to the Grinnell Glacier hike. So without the boat ride, this trail is officially about 11.2 miles and about 2200 feet elevation. And what makes this hike stand out is the turquoise color water of the lake.
Time for hiking!
So we finally got off the second boat, which is after riding the Lake Josephine. And now we are about to do the upper Grinnell Glacier trail. So excited. So the trail after you leave the boat is about 3.8 miles to the upper Grinnell Glacier. But you have the option of going just to the Grinnell Lake, which is just 1.1 or something mile. But again, entering Grizzly country, have to be mindful. Today is a relatively better day because the visibility is much better than what we had yesterday. So I'm really looking forward to this hike. Excited?
Excited and nervous. There's a lot of bear activity in this area.
Yeah, but you have plenty of people walking on this trail. So we are officially on the Grinnell Lake Trail, and that's beautiful Lake Josephine, and that's where the dock was. But look at the color of the water, so pristine and so great.
Turquoise is my favorite color now.
Oh wow, look at that. That's the Grinnell Lake. Boy oh boy. Wow. That is one beautiful lake.
Do we get to wait?
Yeah, of course. Thanks. So guys, this is the Grinnell Lake. Our first lake on this trail. The color of this lake is very weather dependent.
Nothing like I have ever seen in my life.
The weather right now is perfect. It was supposed to be hazy because of the wildfires and smoke, but you know, today has been surprisingly better for us. Wow. Ooh. And that right there is the Salamander Glacier, for those who don't know. No bear sightings as of yet, but there's one bear out here. My God, what is this color? Aqua, turquoise, whatever you want to call it. I would say this is the amazing color. Ooh, what a beautiful lake, right?
Yes, exceeded all my
Oh no!
all my expectations.
Expectations. You ready to get wet?
Yes. Will we have to?
Yes. Wow, that was cool. So like you saw guys, on this trail you kind of also get wet, which is amazing feeling. Maybe not today, but in a hot summer day, that would feel real nice. And let's get a closer look of the Salamander Glacier. Right in front of Sonia is the Salamander Glacier. So big and beautiful. Probably one of the fewest glaciers left in the Glacier National Park. Look at how fast the clouds are moving. That's the amount, that's the speed of wind that we are currently going through. And that's how you spot animals in this park. And look at the waterfall. A closer look.
That's Grinnell Falls.
Okay, so that is the Grinnell Falls originating from the Salamander Glacier. Yeah. Oh my God, there is a bighorn, guys. The only wildlife we are waiting to see is the mountain goat. Come on, goat, you can do this.
Ironically, it's the official symbol of Glacier National Park, and we haven't seen that yet.
Yeah, where are you? Mountain goat! If you can hear me,
Don't come to me. I'll come
send
to
me
you.
a message saying I'm here.
I bet they use gotext.com to send messages.
Gotext.com.
Right, 0.4 miles. Oh, look at that. So apparently we are very close. The last 0.4 mile is a little tiring, but let's hope it's worth it. Oh, there it is, guys. That is the lake, and we are heading there. Something that we didn't know was that this was not just a Grinnell Lake overlook hike, it also takes you to the upper Grinnell Lake and even down to the water if you will. And the lake is located on top of the mountain, as you can see. That's where the lake is. And if you want to, you can go down there. Ah, this is it. And this is the lake. This is the lake. Beautiful, right? It's very pretty. Now I'm going down to the lake because that's where most of the people are. And it looks so tempting. Ooh, there's sun coming. Look, when the sun hits the water, it is specifically more turquoise. So guys, as we are returning from the upper Grinnell Glacier, look what we are seeing. A rainbow. And it's starting to rain. This is a sight to behold.
Guys, the views are absolutely breathtaking. Breathtaking. Do you remember what I said about the Hidden Lake Trail? That it's a fairy tale. And I don't even know how to describe this trail because it goes way, way, way above that. Or I could say this is simply heaven on earth, like Deepak said before. Because this truly is. It's right there. Finally a mountain goat. Oh no. Don't run away. Okay guys, so we are headed towards Many Glacier Hotel.
Because we missed the last boat to the Many Glacier Hotel.
So now we have to walk.
Another 2.5 miles.
Not sure if our feet are ready for that.
Well, we have no choice.
Yes, we don't want to be stranded in grizzly country. Although we have not seen any grizzlies.
We have seen all the animals, just not that grizzly bear.
Yes, but I'm not unhappy because I have seen pretty much everything. I have seen the symbol of Glacier National Park, mountain goat, so I'm happy about that. And we saw lots of bighorn sheep, so that's good too. And we saw bear in our trails yesterday. Oh my god, what just happened, Deepak?
We spotted a grizzly! Woo! Not catching the boat finally paid off.
Yay! Man, this place has brought all my dreams true. I'm so happy.
Guys, this walk along Lake Josephine is very pretty. It kind of reminds me of Lake Tahoe experience. I would say probably even better.
Yeah, so it's kind of good we didn't walk through this on our way to the upper Grinnell Lake, but we are getting to walk now.
We can go down to the lake.
Yeah, such clear water.
I am totally drained out of energy, but I gotta do this.
Yes, only 1.5 miles to go. Deepak, you can do it. Can't believe I'm saying this.
So guys, we are very close to the Many Glacier Hotel, and look at the train tracks, or rail tracks going into the water. It's amazing. Ooh, look Look at this sharp peak. I forget the name of this mountain. Mount Allen?
I can't remember. The
Yeah.
boat lady told us.
So right after you exit the Josephine Lake part of the trail, you mostly have like the paved path. So nothing to worry about. You can walk as fast as you can. We are struggling a little because, I don't know, for some reason we do feel tired. Probably because we did back-to-back hikes.
Okay guys, so as we are approaching the hotel parking, we would like to end the vlog.
As much as I want to show you the beauty of this place, there are no words that can describe the actual beauty of it. Sorry for the wind, but yeah, this place is amazing. And with that, signing off. We will see you in the next video. But before that, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.